Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into a car that's stirring up serious excitement, the 2026 BMW M9. This isn't just another luxury vehicle. The M9 marks BMW's bold leap into the future of performance, design, and technology, and trust me, it's something you'll want to hear about. First off, let's talk about what grabs you immediately: the looks. The 2026 BMW M9 doesn't just turn heads, it practically demands attention. With an aggressive low-slung stance, a reimagined kidney grille that's now sleeker and more integrated into the body, and those razor-sharp LED headlights, the M9 looks like it's been sculpted by the wind itself. Aerodynamics played a massive role in shaping this beauty, and every curve and line serves a purpose, maximizing performance while making a bold statement on the road. Underneath that stunning exterior, the M9 is hiding some serious firepower. BMW has packed a twin-turbocharged V8 engine under the hood, pushing out an eye-watering 750 horsepower. And yes, for the purists out there, it still offers the visceral punch we all crave, but it's paired with an electric motor for added torque and efficiency. This hybrid powertrain means not only brutal acceleration, with a 0 to 60 time under 2.8 seconds, but also a surprising amount of eco-friendliness for such a beast. BMW has clearly aimed to future-proof the M9 without sacrificing its legendary driving spirit. Slide inside, and the interior feels like a first-class cabin in a spaceship. BMW has thrown everything they have into making the cabin a masterpiece. Expect full-grain leather seats that feel like a luxury lounge, a floating center console, and an all-digital dashboard that wraps around the driver, giving you complete control at your fingertips. There's even an augmented reality heads-up display that projects important information directly onto the windshield, so you never have to take your eyes off the road. Technology plays a huge role in the M9 experience. BMW's new iDrive 9 system is faster, smarter, and even more intuitive. Voice commands, touch controls, and even gesture recognition are sharper and more responsive than ever before. Plus, the M9 comes equipped with Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, meaning it can handle certain driving situations completely on its own, although purists will definitely want to keep their hands on the wheel to enjoy every second. Of course, a car like this isn't just about straight-line speed. BMW made sure the M9 handles like a dream. With an advanced adaptive suspension system, rear-wheel steering, and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive technology, it hugs corners like it's on rails. Whether you're carving through mountain passes or cruising the Autobahn, the M9 feels planted, precise, and unbelievably agile for a car with so much power. The 2026 BMW M9 is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's BMW's way of saying the future of performance isn't just fast, it's smart, sustainable, and utterly thrilling. That's all for today on Rolling Legends. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more legendary car content, and let me know in the comments, would you take the M9 for a spin? Until next time, keep the legends rolling.